Hi, this is vz.pro channel. In today's video, I will show you how to adjust output volume on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Do you need to change the speaker or headphones through which your Mac plays sounds? Changing the sound output device on your Mac is super easy. You just need to take a quick change in your system preferences, or you can just press on your keyboard on the volume button. But if your keyboard doesn't work, you can just change your output volume on your system preferences. Open on sound and you'll find there is an option output volume. Here you can adjust the volume on your MacBook in here. You can slide to left to make it to right to make it louder, and to the left. So simple, right? So that is you can also change for another volume in here, like the alert volume, input volume, and the microphone volume. It's so simple, right? So that is how to adjust output volume on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.